Student back class I can teaching by the some points for the need of environmental conservations. Epic into a theory or history of need of environmental conservation, then completing need of environmental conservation chart to maintain the balance in environment, to maintain the clean pollution free air, water, land, to conserve the natural resource, and to protect and conserve the biodiversity. These are the need of the environmental conservation. Then next one is the environmental conservation, our social responsibility, in it including that the some acts, rules and laws. Then today I will starting for the new point, the big story of the small man. You can just understand it. Jadhav Molai Peng is a highly capable person born in a nomadic tribe of Assam. Born in 1963, he is working as a forest worker since the age of the 16 years. Once large number of snakes die in the flood of the Brahmaputra river. तर तो माणूस लहानपणापासून जंगलाच्या कामामध्ये फॉरेस्टमध्ये काम करत होता. तर काय झालं, ब्रह्मपुत्रा नदीला पूर आल्यानंतर म्हणजे सगळ्यात जास्त साप हे काय झाले, डाएट झाले, मेले. ॲज अ प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेजर मोलाई प्लांटेड 20 bamboo plants in 1979. The local social forest department began a social afforestation project on 200 hectares of land. Hectares, it means that the 2.5 एकर जमीन. तर मोलाई was one of the few forest workers who were looking after that project. Molai continued to plant the trees even after completion of the project. तर 200 हेक्टरचा प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा तो काय करत होता, कंटिन्यू झाडं लावत होता. ॲज अ रिझल्ट ऑफ दिस कंटिन्युअस वर्क ऑफ प्लांटिंग अँड केअरिंग for the trees, the barren area witnessed the forest cover over the 1360 acres. Today this jungle in Kokilmukh of Jorhat district of Assam is the result of the hard work for 30 years. He has been awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri award by Government of India for this unparalleled work. Now it is well known as a Molai jungle, and many people come together to destroy the forest, but single person if determined can establish a new forest. तर याच्यातून काय सांगायचं आहे, तर सगळी माणसं जंगल नष्ट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, पण एक माणूस एक जंगल तयार करू शकतो. तर नेक्स्ट पॉईंट बघा, एन्व्हायरमेंटल कन्झर्वेशन अँड बायोडायव्हर्सिटी. मोस्ट हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंटल पोल्युशन. हार्मफुल म्हणजे घातक. पोल्युशन्स ऑकर ऑन द लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम. हॅव यू सीन सम एक्झाम्पल ऑफ दिस इज युअर एरिया. Our living world had been richly diverse. It consisted of varieties of plants and animals. तर म्हणजे एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये असं होतं अगोदर की नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स, ॲनिमल्स होते आधी, बॅक्टेरियाज, ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. However, we are not able to see some specific animal about which we had listed from our earlier generations. Who is responsible for this? तर जे ॲनिमल संपुष्टात आले त्याला जबाबदार कोण असं त्यांनी विचारलेलं आहे. बायोडायव्हर्सिटी म्हणजे काय, ते जैवविविधता तुम्हाला मी सांगितलेलं आहे. is the richness of living organism in nature due to presence of varieties of organism, ecosystem and genetic variation within the species. Biodiversity occurs at a three types: genetic diversity, occurrence of diversity among the organism of some species, like genetic diversity, example each human being is different from each other, तर प्रत्येक माणूस वेगळा असतो. Possibility of wiping out the species, but varieties or genes are the same, but some nothing point is different. Possibility of wiping out the species arises if there is a decrease in the diversity within the species whose number involved in sexual reproduction. Then species diversity, innumerable species of organism occur in nature. इन्युमरेबल म्हणजे कसल्या स्पेसीस सांगितलेल्या आहेत, तर त्यांनी असंख्य प्रजाती ज्या आहेत occurs in nature. This is called as species diversity and include various type of plants, animal and microbes. Then ecosystem diversity, main ecosystems are present in each region. इको म्हणजे कसली सिस्टीम आहे, तर ही परिसंस्थेची विविधता. आता परिसंस्था तुम्हाला माहीत आहे, किंवा फर्स्ट वन यू कॅन सी द मॅनमेड इकोसिस्टम, फॉर एक्झाम्पल ग्रास in the grasshopper and then eating a frog, and frog eating a snake. These are the ecosystems or parisamstha. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animals, their habitat and change in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristic animal, plant, microbes and biotic factor. Ecosystem are also of two types, natural and artificial. Artificial it means man-made and natural it means naisargik. Okay, in this point today I will completing. Then next point, then you can just read scribe grows and enlist and discuss. This point I can continue for the next class. You can just read for the big story of small man and understand it, the conservation, environmental conservations and biodiversity. So in orange box you can see there should be positive attitude of human being towards the environment for welfare of entire living world. For this purpose following role are important. You can be conservation organization, guide, plant friend. तर ह्या मुद्द्यांवर तुम्ही काय करायचं, थोडक्यात शॉर्ट नोट बनवायची आहे तुमच्या अंडरस्टँडिंगसाठी. हे काय होमवर्क वगैरे नाही, पण तुमच्या अंडरस्टँडिंगसाठी तुम्ही बनवायचे आहे.